We are going to discuss question number 5 of exercise 7.3 in 7 textbook. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and vice chairman, assuming that one person cannot hold more than one position? So we can choose for a person to be a chairman is in 8 ways, because in the committee there are 8 persons, so chairman can be chosen in 8 ways. And no person can hold more than one position, means the person which you have taken for the chairman, on the position of chairman, he will not be a vice chairman. Similarly, we can choose for a person to be a vice chairman is in 7 ways. Then by fundamental theorem, chairman and vice chairman can be chosen in 8 into 7, that is equal to 56 ways. So now come to next question. How many words with or without meaning can be formed by taking from the letters of the word Monday? In the word Monday, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. There are 6 letters. So, in first case, you have to find the number of words taken 4 at a time. Now, number of 4-letter words, that is equals to 64, and that is equal to 6 factorial upon 6 minus 4 factorial, 6 factorial upon 2 factorial, that is equals to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial, 2 factorial and 2 factorial will be cancelled. 6 5 is 30, 4 3 are 12, 5 is 60, 16 to 6 is 360. So there are 360 words. Now the second part, how many words can be formed by using all the letters at a time? So total 6-letter words, that is equals to 66, that is equal to 6 factorial upon 6 minus 6 factorial. It is 6 factorial upon 0 factorial. It is 6 factorial. This is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is equals to 720 words. Total 720 words. Now see, in the word Monday, in the word third part, in the word Monday, in the word Monday, your vowels are O, A. There are 2 vowels. 2 vowels. So how many words start with vowel? Your first letter is vowel. So your first letter can be taken as first letter can be taken in two ways, and remaining five letters in 5p5 ways. So that is equals to, so your total 6 letter words equal to total 6 letter word equal to 2p1 multiplied by 5p5, that is equals to 2 factorial upon 1 factorial into 5 factorial upon 0 factorial, that is 2 into 120. This is equal to 240 words. We can form 240 words. Now question number 7. In how many ways of the distinct permutations, in how many distinct permutations of the letters in MI, SSI, SSI, PPI, do the 4 I's not come together? So now in this case, first of all we find the total permutation of the letters of the word Mississippi. You have given that Mississippi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So your value of n is 11. And out of that there are 4 letters S of one kind, and there are 4 I of second kind, and P 2 letters of third kind. So in this way your total permutation is equal to n factorial upon p1 factorial into p2 factorial into p3 factorial. There is one letter S that is different, from remaining. So your n is 11 factorial upon 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. This is the total permutation. In how many ways 4 i's are together? When you keep 4 I together, in this case, your n is 11 minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 8 letters. The value of n is 8, out of which there are 4s of one kind and 4s of one kind and 2p of second kind. So in this case, total permutation when 4 i's are together is equals to 8 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial. This result is 1, this result is 2. Now total permutation when 4 i's are not together, that is equals to 1 minus 2, that is equals to 11 factorial, that is equals to 11 factorials upon 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial minus 2 is 8 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial. In this way you can find its value. Your question number 8, in how many ways can letters of the word permutation permutations be arranged if the number 1 words start with P end with S. Second, vowels are all together. Vowels are all together. Third, there are always 4 letters. Always 4 letters between P and S. So now you see your first part in the word permutation. Your number of letters is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your n is 12, and out of that knowing 1 times, R is 1 times, M is 1 times, U is 1 times, and T is 2 times, A is 1 times, I your T is 2 times, M is 1 time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I is 1 times, N is 1 times, your S is 1 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to 11. E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 to 11. R P 1 times, E 1 times, R 1 times, N 1 times, U 1 times, T 2 times, A 1 times, I 1 times, O 1 letter is O is 1 times. So in first case, your by the formula, your total permutation is equal to n factorial upon p factorial, because there is letter T of one kind. So your n is 12 factorial upon 2 factorial, and you solve them. Now second part, words start with P. First part, this is total permutation, this is first part. Now, words start with P and end with S. It starts with P and end with S. So there are 10 letters. Here 10 letters. Your value of N is 10 and value of P is 2, out of which 2 letters are of one kind. So in this case, your total permutations is equals to 10 factorial upon 2 factorial. And now second part, in second part what it says, vowels are all together. How many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 minus 5 plus 1, that is equals to, this is 12. 12 minus 5 plus 1, that is equals to 8. So your value of N is 8. So your total permutation is equals to 8 factorial upon 2 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial. Now your third part, there are always 4 letters between P and S. So P, there are 4 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, then S again. When you start, there are 7, so your total permutations is equals to 7 factorial multiplied by 7 factorial, and its value is 25401600. That's all for today.